Yes, Shri Thappar, what is solution? Solution is
A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances which are chemically non-reactive.
a solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances which are chemically non-reacting. Okay, good. What are the various components of solution? What are the components of solution?
The components of solution are solute and solvent.
Right? Components of solution are solute and solvent. Right, bache? Now next, what is solute? Yes, Kashish. Kashish, roll number 31.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, solute is the one which is present in small amount.
Component
And
of
solvent
solution which
is
is
present.
present in small amount in the solution is known as solute. And what is solvent? Yes, Kashish.
Ma'am, the one which is present in large amount in the solution.
Right. The substance which is dissolved is solute and medium in which it is dissolved is a solvent. When we prepare the sugar solution by dissolving sugar in water, in this case sugar is ये solute है कि solvent है?
Solute.
Right.
Solute.
And water?
Solvent.
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 Right. Is aqueous solution or non-aqueous solution?
Aqueous solution.
Aqueous solution.
Aqueous solution.
Aqueous.
Usually we think solution as liquid. Liquid which contain a solid, liquid, gas. अब आप क्या कहते हो कि solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. वो जो substance है वो solid भी हो सकता है, liquid भी हो सकता है, gaseous भी हो सकता है, right? So it means there are different types of solution. There are three types of solution. First is solid solution, in which solid act as solvent. Solid solution means solvent, solid, solute. क्या हो सकता है? Solid, liquid and gas. Means solid, solid, solvent, solid, and solute, liquid, solvent, solid, solute, gas. These type of solution in which solid act as solvent is known as solid solution. Right? Next type of binary solution is liquid solution. Next type of binary solution. Binary solution means solution with two components. Liquid solution in which liquid act as a solvent. तो इसमें solute क्या हो सकता है? Solid, liquid, gas. लेकिन solvent क्या होगा? Liquid. Solid in liquid, liquid in liquid, gas in liquid. Right? Next type of binary solution is gaseous solution. Gaseous solution in which gas act as solvent. In which gas act as solvent. इसमें solute क्या होंगे? सॉलिड भी हो सकता है, लिक्विड भी हो सकता है, गैसियस भी हो सकता है, लेकिन सॉल्वेंट क्या रहेगा? गैस। सॉलिड इन गैस, लिक्विड इन गैस, गैस इन गैस। ऐसे सॉल्यूशन जिनमें गैस क्या है, सॉल्वेंट है, उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? गैसियस सॉल्यूशन। Solid solution in which solid act as solvent, liquid solution in which liquid act as solvent, gaseous solution in which gas act as a solvent. Next note कीजिए, very important. Alloys are example of solid in solid solution. Alloys are examples of solid in solid solution. Now, what are the alloys? Alloys are mixture of two or more metals. Alloys are mixture of two or more metals or mixture of metal and a non-metal. Note on the definition of alloys. Alloys are the mixture of two or more metals or a metal and a non-metal, which cannot be separated into their component by physical methods. अब जो मिक्सचर्स होते हैं आप उनको तो सेपरेट कर पाते हो ना फिजिकल मेथड से, बाय इवेपोरेशन, फिल्ट्रेशन, आप उनको इजीली सेपरेट कर लेते हो, लेकिन जो अलॉयज के कंपोनेंट है आप उनको सेपरेट नहीं कर पाते हो, फिर भी ये मिक्सचर है, but still an alloy is considered as a mixture because it shows the properties of its component and can have variable composition. For example, brass. Brass is an alloy. It is a mixture of 30% zinc and 70% copper. For example, brass, it is a mixture of 30% zinc and 70% copper. Steel भी एक alloy है. Bronze, example of alloy. Right? Now, what is an alloy? Alloys are the example of solid in solid solution. Solid is solute as solid is solvent है, right? These are the mixture of two or more metals or metal and a non-metal. For example, brass. Brass is a mixture of 30% zinc and 70% copper. Examples of solution. A solution of sugar in water. ये कौन सी टाइप है? Solid in liquid. A solution of sugar in water is solid in liquid. इसमें sugar क्या है? Solute. जो क्या है? Solid. And water, solvent, liquid. In this solution, sugar is solute and water is a solvent. Next, very important, a solution of iodine in alcohol. Iodine in alcohol. Iodine, solid, alcohol, liquid. Iodine यहाँ पे क्या है? Solute and alcohol क्या है? Solvent. A solution of iodine in alcohol is also known as tincture of iodine, in which iodine क्या है? Solid as a solute and alcohol is a liquid which act as a solvent. जो फर्स्ट टाइप है बेटे एक्वस है कि नॉन एक्वस सोल्यूशन है? फर्स्ट टाइप इज एक्वस और नॉन एक्वस? यस प्रथम। शुगर इन वाटर जो फर्स्ट एग्जांपल लिखे है बेटे वो एक्वस है कि नॉन एक्वस है?
Sugar in water is a aqueous solution
व्हाई इट इज एक्वस सोल्यूशन?
because the solvent is water.
राइट। इन सेकेंड एग्जांपल लिखा है कि आयोडीन इन एल्कोहल, ये इट इज एक्वस सोल्यूशन और नॉन एक्वस सोल्यूशन?
And it is a non-aqueous solution because the solvent here is not water, it's alcohol.
Right. First type is solid in liquid. Next type is again solid in liquid solution. Both are liquid solution क्योंकि दोनों में हम liquid as a solvent use कर रहे हैं. Okay. Next is aerated drinks like soda water are gas in liquid solution. Gas in liquid. In this case, gas, that is carbon dioxide, is a solute and water liquid as a solvent. And the next is gas in gas solution. एटमॉस्फेयर में क्या होता है? मिक्सचर ही होता है गैसेस का, तो इट इज अ गैस इन गैस solution. Note down these examples of solution. Next is properties of solution. First property of solution, a solution is a homogeneous mixture. Solution is a homogeneous mixture. What is homogeneous mixture?
A homogeneous mixture is mixture which contains the solute and solvent in a uniform quantity.
In which all the components of mixture are uniformly mixed and there are no visible boundaries of separation. Next, particles of solutions are smaller than 1 nm. What is this nm? It's a nanometer. Nanometer. जैसे मीटर सेंटीमीटर है ऐसे एक यूनिट क्या होती है? नैनोमीटर. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. The particles of a solution are smaller than 1 nanometer in diameter and they cannot be seen by the naked eye. Next property, due to very small size, जो क्या है less than 1 nanometer है, there is no scattering of light. No scattering of light means the path of light is not visible in the solution. Means यहाँ पे Tyndall effect नहीं है. Scattering of light is known as Tyndall effect. Next property, the particles, that is the solute particles, cannot be separated from the mixture by the process of filtration. अगर आप salt को dissolve करते हो water में, that is a salt solution. क्या आप उसमें solute के particles जो salt है उसको separate कर पाएंगे by the process of filtration? Can you separate the salt particle from the salt solution
No, ma'am.
by filtration?
No, ma'am.
Next,
cannot separate.
the solute particle not settle down when left undisturbed. Particles not settle down when left undisturbed. It means solution is stable. Solution is stable. अगर आपने सॉल्ट को डिसॉल्व किया है वाटर में, सॉल्ट सोल्यूशन प्रिपेयर करा है, तो क्या उसमें से सल्यूट पार्टिकल जो सॉल्ट के पार्टिकल्स हैं वो सेटल्ड हो जाएंगे व्हेन लेफ्ट अनडिस्टर्ब्ड फॉर सम टाइम?
हम स्टेबल है, वो मिक्स हो जाते हैं वो पार्टिकल्स.
यस बेटा. Next topic is concentration of solution. It is amount of solute present in given amount of solution or amount of solute dissolved in given mass or volume of solvent. It is amount of solute. कितना amount solute का dissolved है किसमें? In the given amount of, given amount क्या हो सकता है? Mass or in volume of solution, or you can say amount of solute dissolved in given mass or volume of solvent. Note कीजिए बेटा definition. इसी की बेस पे आप बता सकते हो कि जो solution है वो dilute है कि concentrated है. The different methods to express the concentration of solution that is given in your NCERT book. First method given है mass by mass percentage of solution. Mass by mass percentage of solution means mass of solute in grams dissolved in 100 gram of solution. Mass by mass percentage of a solution means mass of solute in grams dissolved in 100 gram of solution. Mass by mass percentage is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution. 100. Second method to express the concentration of solution, mass by volume percentage of solution. It means the mass of solute in grams dissolved in 100 milliliter of solution, and it is equal to mass of divided by volume of solution. 100. Next method to express the concentration of solution, volume by volume percentage of solution. It is equal to volume of solute divided by volume of solution to 100. Now numerical based on the method of concentration of solution. A solution contains 40 gram of common salt and 320 gram of water. Okay. Now what is the mass of solute? Solute present in smaller amount. So mass of solute 40 gram. यहाँ पे solute क्या है? Common salt. In 320 gram of water, mass of solvent 320 gram. Calculate concentration in terms of mass by mass of solution. Mass by mass percentage of solution. Now, mass by mass percentage of solution is equal to mass by mass percentage of solution. किसके इक्वल है बेटा ये? Yes, Parneet Kaur.
Mass by mass percentage of solution is equal to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100.
Very good. Mass of solution to 100. अब mass of solute हमें given है, that is 40 gram, and mass of solution given नहीं है. You all know the solution contain two components, solute and solvent. So mass of solution क्या हो जाएगा? Mass of solute plus mass of solvent. Solution में क्या present है? Solute and solvent ही है. तो mass of solution is equal to mass of solute plus mass of solvent. 40 plus 320, 360 gram, right? इतना पार्ट सबको क्लियर है बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
मास ऑफ सोल्यूशन यहाँ पे क्या होगा? 360 into 100. सॉल्व कीजिए बेटे. What is the mass by mass percentage of solution? Answer is 11.1. Mass by mass percentage of solution is 11.1. स्टेप बाय स्टेप लिखना है. पहले आपने मास ऑफ सोल्यूट लिखना है, फिर मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट, फिर मास ऑफ सोल्यूशन, देन मास बाय मास परसेंटेज ऑफ सोल्यूशन इज इक्वल टू मास ऑफ सोल्यूट डिवाइडेड बाय मास ऑफ सोल्यूशन इनटू 100. ओके, वैल्यूज पुट करके आपने सॉल्व करना है. नेक्स्ट सॉल्व कीजिए. अ सोल्यूशन कंटेन 35 ग्राम ऑफ कॉमन सॉल्ट इन 300 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर. Calculate mass by mass percentage of solution. Mass by mass percentage of solution. Now, mass of solute is equal to, yes बच्चे, यहाँ पे mass of solute क्या है?
35 grams.
Right, 35 gram is common salt. Then mass of solvent,
300 grams.
300 gram.
right? 300 gram. And mass of solution,
Mass of
is
solute
equal to
Mass of
plus
solute
solvent.
plus mass of solute.
plus mass of solvent. Yes, Manav. What is the mass of solution?
And 335 gram.
Right? 35 plus 300 is equal to 335 gram. Right? Now, mass by mass percentage of solution is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution. Mass of solute क्या given है? 35 and mass of solution 335 gram. सॉल्व कीजिए बेटा. वेरी गुड, सबने सॉल्व भी कर लिया. वेरी गुड. कशिश, राइट आंसर
10.45.
10.45. नोट कर लीजिए बेटे आंसर 10.45. राइट डाउन दिस न्यूमेरिकल इन योर नोटबुक.